Watch the pole up there.
Got it. Bring the baskets over here, quickly now.
Broken shells are separated from the organic pulp using these high-frequency vibrating systems. The dual conveyor lines ensure efficient waste removal.
The separation looks good on this batch.
Yes, the consistency is exactly where it needs to be.
The raw tamarind pulp, characterized by its high viscosity, is slowly churned along the stainless steel.
Softened pulp is pushed through extraction machines, forming a smoother paste. The camera zooms into flowing, thick material. The paste is forced through the crystalline filters, removing the remaining organic fibers and resulting in a perfectly clean flow.
Rotating paddles mix the thick paste uniformly. The camera focuses on smooth, rhythmic motion. Texture appears rich and dense.
The paste is carefully guided through these superheated pipes to ensure maximum preservation.
The paste is cooled rapidly in controlled systems. Condensation appears on metal surfaces. The camera pans slowly. The thick, viscous paste is stored in these massive sealed tanks, ensuring perfect preservation. Through a combination of precision robotics and expert analysis, we ensure the consistency and purity of every sample.
Workers meticulously supervise the automated alignment, guaranteeing a seamless flow through the packaging line.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance.
Clear on this side, keep coming.
Perfect. Set it down right there.